So to get this truck started, I'll just cut away some of this white from the transfer. Let's get the transfer down. All right, so I've laid down my transfer and all we have to do now is rub. So if you see how easily it's coming off my board, so this is coming off nicely. If there's any bits that don't come away, you just have to lay the transfer back down and then keep peeling away. Keep rubbing until you can see that it's coming away. All right, so that's all done. Smooth our hands over it, make sure there's no wrinkles left on there. Sometimes it just has a little wrinkle as you're going. So, but look how nicely that turned out. Now, all right, and I think I will go with that dark chocolate colour that we did our stain with. We could do black to make it stand out too, but I think that this colour chocolate is going to be dark enough that it'll stand out against the tree if we have some on the tree. I think we'll do Fa La La and then La La down here, so it's kind of balancing out the picture. The brush I'm using is the 1/2 inch brush. I'm going to pop that right over into the corner and we'll just hold this down here. You could tape it if you wanted to, but I think it'll be good with just holding it. And we offload the brush. If you're new to stenciling, let us know. And I may have to do 2 coats on this as I look at it. Sometimes the first coat, you can still see that it's quite translucent, but it's better to have 2 coats of two thin coats rather than putting too much on your brush and risking that going underneath the stencil and creating some bleed underneath. It creates fuzzy edges. So let's just dry that off best we can. We'll just go over that one more time with just a little more paint. Offloading that, of course, still. And then I'll move the next layers down here. Let's just do that right underneath. It feels a little darker, but I will dry it off like I did the other one so that we've got the same layer of thickness. There. Okay, that one's finished.